Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So today we are going to discuss about the question words. So first write class work and today's date 7/5/2021. So which are the question words? The question words are how, who, what, when, which, where. I repeat, the question words are how, who, what, when, which, and where. So with these question words how, who, what, when, which, and where, with these question words we can begin a question, we can formulate a sentence which is a question. So let us begin this. How. So how, this question word how is used when we ask a question regarding the quality and the quantity. Quality means how are you, how is your father, uh, how is your mother, how is your sister. Or quantity, how many friends you have, how many children you have, how many birds you have. So quality and quantity, when we ask about question about the quality and quantity we use how. Okay, so how is used to ask a question regarding quality and quantity. How are you, how is your father, how many children you have, how many friends you have. Okay, so this is how question word is used. Second, who is used to ask about the identity of a person, who that person is. Like, who are you? Okay, who are you, who is your class teacher? The answer will be Miss Sarthi is our class teacher, or Miss Molly is our class teacher. So that way the question word who is used. Who are you, who is your class teacher, who is your father, who is your mother. All right. Next, number 3, what. What is your name? Okay, and what are you doing? What is used to get the answer about a noun. Okay, what is your name? What are you doing? When is asked, when the question word when is asked to uh, asked regarding the time. When do you go to school? Okay, when do you go to school? The answer will be time. I go to school at 8 o'clock, or I go to school at 10 o'clock. When do you go to school? Which is your pen? Or which is your box? Which is your box? Which is your pen? Which is your box? This which is used regarding making choices. Like, there are two things. There are, suppose there are two pens. Which is your pen? Or if suppose there are two boxes, then which is your box? Which is your purse? Okay. Where. Number 6, where are you going? We ask this, we use this question word in order to get the answer about a place. Where are you going? It means which place are you going? Where is your father? Where is your bottle? Where is your box? Where is your purse? Or where is your house? Okay, so this is how where is used. So dear children, this is how we will use the question words in order to ask a question, to initiate conversation. Like, how are you, how is your father, who are you, who is your class teacher. Or number 3, like, what is your name, what are you doing, what is your father's name, or what is your mother's name, what is your uncle's name. Or when do you go to school? All these are questions. Okay, when do you go to school, when do you take breakfast, when do you take lunch, when do you take dinner. So this when is asked to asked about timing. Which is your pen, which is your box, which is your pet, which is your house. Show me which is your house. Okay, then where are you going? Then where do you stay, where do you live, where do you play. This is a question about place. Okay, so good then children, this is how we are going to use the question words in our questions. Thank you so much. Have a good day.